Here are 3 reasons why right now may be a good time to buy a home in Utah. Thank you so much for watching our channel. Today we're going to jump in and I'm going to tell you why I think 2023 may be the best time to buy real estate, especially with the way that the economy is going. So let's jump in. Number 1, we are seeing low inventory, and we're still consistently seeing low inventory. In fact, we are currently short 45,500 homes in the state of Utah, and that was a report that was just recently reported in February. That's a combination of condos, townhomes, and single families. This same issue is what originally caused the housing bubble that we experienced in 2021. The low inventory, coupled with the low interest rates, catapulted pricing as high as 22% in a single year. Although rates are currently higher right now, making affordability more difficult, we are seeing a steady decline in builders building new homes as well. This means that the shortage continues to grow. Once pricing stabilizes and rates start to let up, it is highly possible that we will see values increase again very quickly. Now, I'm not going to say that you'll receive a huge increase in equity if you purchase in 2023, but what I will say is that you may find that this will be one of the best investment decisions you've made as you hold on to that investment for the next 2 to 5 years. Number 2, sellers are reducing prices in order to sell their homes. We have seen home prices drop about 7.6% from February to March. This means that a $500,000 home is now closer to $460,000. Along with price drops in homes, we're seeing sellers offer concessions and closing costs to assist buyers in being able to reduce their interest rate, pay for additional costs during the home sale, and in some cases, sellers are also leaving personal items behind to persuade buyers to purchase a home. Want a new car? Maybe you'll get one. These indicators all scream that it's a buyer's market right now, and I guarantee you'll find some awesome deals right now. Number 3, you can still get a lower interest rate. Even though everything is projected that rates are between 6 and 7%, you can actually still get a rate closer to 3. What this is we've seen that sellers have paid additional cost to help the buyer buy down the interest rates. Lenders have also created programs designed for you to have a rate as low as 3% for a 12-month period. Based on what I'm seeing and simple economics of supply and demand, I'm very confident that buying a home in 2023 will be a great 2 to 5 year play for any homeowner. Obviously, making sure that you can afford the mortgage and you're not cutting your necessities of life is a very important factor, so I would advise you to look at your finances and consult with a mortgage officer. I hope this video helps you as you navigate through the interesting interest rate extravaganza we're experiencing. Thank you so much for watching, and be on the lookout for more real estate content.